processes the data, maybe it is a current, maybe it is something else, and we will fast transfer the data to 505 or Flex. And we can connect our synchronization products. We can connect, it was earlier with us, it was a protection relay. We can connect these synchronization products, load shedding products. This is protect, which is means overspeed protection and back stop. So these are the options we can connect with the Flex 500 and integrate them. Time stamping, if you go to, once we are over, you can see here that all the events, all the faults have a time stamp. And this, I have told, this product can be synchronized with through SMTP, and then the product is now synchronized with all the other products, all the other controllers of the plant.
By default, all Woodward controls is having SOE facility. If you will have a other control system like BHL control system or Siemens, they will have a separate card for SOE. However, in our case, SOE is by default.
So another thing I would like to say is all the products, they have their own operating system. They operate on a framework of operating system. Above the operating system, we put our application. This is the trend page. To say short, you select the trend points and what are to be put in the trend, and then you have a trend graph which will help you to analyze later if there is a problem. We are trying to make it short.
So this is an example of panel mount flat 500 control system along with the all turbine auxiliary like this Protect, you can see this 505 and remote OCP, DSLC, all. So basically these are the service tools which is required for Flex 500. The control assistant requires the fast data logger for continuous data acquisition and trend analysis, gap editor and monitor. Gap is required to program this Flex 500 control system, and monitor software is required to monitor the values which is running inside the controller. And this app manager is required to connect the PC with the control system. So through this app manager, you can connect the PC with the control system. And as well as OPC server is a basically connectivity tool between the PC and the control system. So in control assistant, you can have a trending facility as well with a resolution of 1 millisecond. I don't think so that any of the control system will provide you a trending of 1 millisecond. Whereas in control assistant, if you will have a licensed version of control assistant, you can see the trend of a resolution with 1 millisecond. Whereas in DCS or PLC, they can go up to max 500 milliseconds. So these are the compliances with Flex 500.
टाइमिंग क्या रहता है? टाइमिंग रहता है क्या? हेलो टाइम जो ये करना है ना उसका मिली सेकंड जो सॉरी लाइसेंस का ये कितना रहता है? पीरियड
No, license is unlimited. Yes, perpetual license. It is not like that that this license will valid for 1 year or 2 years. No.
पहले तो था वही, अभी तो है ना.
हाँ.
we are trying to make this thought here. We have overspeed protection modules with us. Protect has variants Protect G2, Protect TMR. G2 and TMR both works on 2 out of 3 philosophy. We have a Protect here, and inside the Protect there are 3 modules. And 3 modules process the signals, the information, and then if it's 3 out of 2 means 2 modules say yes we should trip, then it will trip. That's how I.
So,
As we discussed that in Protect we have a 3 module like Protect G2, Protect TPS and MSM. The difference between, as I mentioned, Protect G2 is just only a overspeed protection device, where Protect TPS and MSM they have an added advantage that you can configure 10 DI or 10 AI based on that you can generate a trip command. So in addition to overspeed protection. So now this is a comparison. See what our computer offers and what Woodward offers.
Yeah. The most important is SIL certification. This is IEC regulation, and SIL 3.
Basically, SL still protection is safety integrity level. Now, if you will see the Guardian that doesn't comply still 3 certification. As per the API regulatory 612 regulatory, it says that this protection device should have a SIL 3 certification. If you will see now our Protect G2, TPS and MSM, they all are SIL 3 certified. So Guardian is not SIL 3 certified.
Another big thing here is the response time. If you see, Protect is 10 millisecond response time in case there is overspeeding. But others are no match to the Protect. Only match is this one. Exactly.
So if you will see the comparison sheet, Woodward is having an edge that none of our competitor offers so much of features rather than protection. We offer this accession trip and pre-start trade active detection, whereas in other overseas protection you don't have such protections. I think we have taken so much of time to cover this turbine control system with protection. Now let's go for the LMS. So now Mr. Amol will take you further for the LMS system.